So today I am in Trader Sam's and I have just ordered the Skipper Sipper, and as the menu says, it has tropical juices, agave nectar, falernum, mint, and fresh lime juice topped with soda water. It should be a very refreshing drink, and I'm excited to try it. So now we are, so this is the Skipper Sipper, and we are now going to try it. Like I said, it is very refreshing. It's very good if you're here on a warm day. And at first you don't really get the mint, but the longer it sits there and like in your mouth, you get the mint more because it kind of tastes more minty as it sits there. So yeah, it's a good drink, by the way. It's a really good drink. So I'm at the Disneyland Hotel pool with my feet in the hot tub and with a drink in my hand. This is the pineapple Nojito. This drink is definitely pineapple-y, which I personally like because I like pineapple because pineapple's yummy. And it, again, is very refreshing. It has some mint in there. But as you can see, I didn't quite mix it up enough. There we go. There we go. There. Now it's mixed up more. And it's just a really refreshing drink and a very relaxing drink to have by the pool. And I would definitely recommend this one. I'm at Disney's Grand Californian Craftsman bar, and I got the tropical ginger sparkler, and it is very gingery, so if you like ginger, I definitely recommend this drink. I like ginger, so that's part of the reason why I got it. And it is very yummy. It definitely has a lot of different flavors in it.
Oh, that is gingery.
And like I said, it is definitely very ginger forward. I do recommend this one. It's a nice drink for just, again, relaxing and just having fun. This is the Rosemary Pear Spritz. It is more herbally, so if you like that drink, I definitely suggest getting this one. Although for me, I prefer the tropical ginger. I am at the Magic Key Terrace at Disney's California Adventure with the mint julep. I personally love mint juleps. They're one of my favorites. And partly because they are just very refreshing and very good for a nice warm day. This one actually has a lot of mint in it, which I personally like, and there's a lot of mint. There's a lot of mint. I like the mint though. So if you like it, if you like your drinks minty, fresh, I definitely suggest this one. Good. I am at Carthay Circle in Disney's California Adventure, and I got the Tilbaro. It is a very fruity drink. It's nice and pineapple-y, at least to me. It definitely has some layers of flavor, which is nice. As it settles in tongue, you get a little bit more lemon, which is fun because it has lemonade in it. And I recommend this drink as well because it's just nice and good. Yay!
Oh, I created that maybe 4 years ago because we were getting a lot of guests that were like, oh, you know, we want to do something that's mocktail, but at least it's got some class to it, not just, oh, I'm going to give you some juice and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So it's still got the egg in it. It's got seed lip in it.
Okay.
So seed lip is a it's basically a water spirit, right?
Yep.
And then it has just a touch of cranberry juice.
Okay, nice.
To give it the beautiful postcard.
Yeah, I actually see lip at
Yeah, what? Oh, seed lip.
Yeah.
I love it. Bravo.
So I got the privilege to go to 21 Royal at Disneyland. And if you ever get to go and you want a mocktail, I definitely suggest the Lilly Rose. It is an amazing drink. Let me taste it real quick. has some tartness at first, but then as it's sitting in your mouth, it gets more sweet. And I definitely enjoy this drink. And if you do happen to ever get into 21 Royal, I definitely suggest it. So last night I was at 21 Royal, and I didn't get to review all of the Temperance drinks, but I got to review one of them. They're all really good, but I wasn't able to review them all because they were just coming one after another, but they were all good. And the bartender last night was really good. His name is David. He made some really good drinks, and I just loved it. So if you aren't going to drink alcohol, or you can, they still make sure that you have a great experience, and they even have like special little non-alcoholic ciders and champagne type things for you during the meal. Okay, so I am at Lamplight Lounge, and I got the Goofball Island, and I love its name. It's amazing, and its color is absolutely beautiful. It definitely has some berry flavors, like more like juices and like more berries. I never experienced this one. It's very good, like for Disney, and I enjoy it. I am at Lamplight Lounge with the Temperance drink, Mint to Be. This drink, as it says in the name, is minty, but it also has some nice berry flavor to balance out the mint, in my opinion. And it's a nice little drink for if you're hanging out with friends or family or just want something to drink. And it's nice there. And I definitely recommend it again because it's good. Are you done?